Exclusive.
Introducing from China.
Introduce. You got introduced. Okay.
That man name is Mr.
ఛానల్ నచ్చితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి and you will have some crazy
English. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Say, my friend.
It's a gift for us.
It's a gift. A place I like to talk to the local people sometimes. It gets a little embarrassing sometimes. Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to the channel. I'll show you a little bit about my hostel. Inside too. This is the place we can sit. This is AC, this is my bathroom, is my room, and there are like other rooms. Yeah, this is also one room, 6 bed dorms, and upstairs is the terrace. I'll show you some other time because I'm getting little late for the terrace, so I'll cover that thing later on. And I'm with my friends Rocky from, you know, Salam Rocky bhai, like KGF. So what's your name?
Sai.
Just give your small, like very fast introduction about yourself.
This is Sai. I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay.
I just came here, just to.
So where are we going right now? It's a curfew, right?
It's a curfew.
But we're still going to like go somewhere close by, and
to be frankly, there is no idea.
there's no idea. We're just going to roam around. We're in Fort Kochi right now, Kochi, and tomorrow I'm going to be leaving from this place to Munnar, and it's a curfew, so it's a very sad thing, but never to be less. हम लोग कुछ मस्ती कर ही लेंगे यार. थोड़ी सी अंग्रेजी पीछे बोलता हूँ तो उसके लिए बोलनी पड़ती है क्योंकि साउथ इंडिया पीपल डोंट स्पीक हिंदी मच, राइट? दे डोंट नो हिंदी, सो फॉर देम आई नीड टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश इन बिटवीन. सो जो लोग इंग्लिश कम समझते हैं, नहीं जानते, उनसे लिए मैं क्षमा चाहूँगा. और हिंदी में वैसे व्लॉग बनाऊँगा, बट समटाइम इंग्लिश इज गुड एंड यू फील नाइस, स्पेशली पीपल हु डोंट स्पीक इन हिंदी इन आवर लैंग्वेज. या ये बड़ी सिटी है, इसका इंप्रेशन ये है कि यहाँ गर्मी बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. दिन में इस समय नहीं है. आप गोवा से ज़्यादा ह्यूमिड है ये, क्योंकि और ज़्यादा साउथ में है और ब्यूटीफुल है. देखिए चर्च, द चर्च इज होली चर्च, such a beautiful place, and I've heard that there are lots and lots of Christian people living in this part of Kerala, Kochi, and that's why they have a communist party in Kerala. I don't know much about the political system of Kochi, but it seems like a very clean and a beautiful place. Lockdown, we are trying to show you a little bit like how Kochi looks. We'll show you some fishing nets also. There's some Japanese fishing nets. They say it's a very famous thing here. तो ऐसे ही घूम रहे हैं यार. अब लॉकडाउन में घूम रहे हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं. अब ये आ गया लॉकडाउन. मेरी ये गार्डन है यहाँ पर, बट वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. It's like some Portuguese city, like old Goa. I would say South Goa. South Goa is also built like this. It is a Fort Kochi. We can show you some Chinese fishing nets. The Chinese fishing net. Is it a Chinese fishing net?
Yes, I can explain for this.
Sorry?
I will explain for this. Please come.
Do I have to pay you?
Would you like?
Huh?
I will like that.
Sorry? Is the fees? You see?
I will like. I'm poor man.
So this is the beach in Kochi. So it's a lockdown. That's the reason I'm not able to show you the market and the palaces. Maybe tomorrow if I get a chance, then definitely I will like to show you more of the city, Kochi. तो इतना ही मैं दिखा सकता हूँ आपको, इतना दिखा रहा हूँ. It's It's a nice place, I would say. See the water. We had come here yesterday, and yeah. Where it is?
What do you name, sir?
Abhimanyu.
My name is James.
James.
I am fisherman.
You're a fisherman. Okay.
I can explain for this one.
Okay, please.
This one actually, this coat is Chinese fishing net.
Okay.
But why telling the Chinese fishing net? This introducing from China.
It's inclusive.
Introducing from China.
Introduce. It got introduced. Okay.
That man name is Mr. Kublai Khan. He's Mongolian.
Okay.
That is the old name is telling the Chinese fishing net.
Okay.
So, this net only China.
Okay.
This designing, technology, construction, the counterbalance and development in complete Portuguese technologies also.
Okay.
So, this net is only China. This development in complete in Portuguese. Wood is only 6 years, 7 years.
Okay.
Then after complete the changing.
Okay.
I am not the changing. Changing husband's complete my owner.
Okay. What is good about this Chinese net?
This introducing from China.
Okay, it's introduced by the Chinese Mongolian guy who used to live in China, and they introduced this tent. That's why they call it Chinese fishing tent.
Chinese fishing net.
What is good about this net? Chinese.
This
बेवड़ा मारा बाबा ने हाँ जेम्स भाई ने फुल ले रखे लिए क्या है ना बाबा.
Then before the 700 years old, the come to here the Kublai Khan. Designing, technology, construction, the
Only
counterbalance.
that's it. होता क्या है इसके अंदर? What is special about the place?
Yes.
Yeah. What is special?
Specially is complete the
Fish.
completely.
Fish is different kind of a fish net.
This net only China
Okay.
is designing complete and Portuguese technologies also.
Portuguese technology is there, and Chinese have introduced this. If anyone who is watching this video and I don't know about it, I don't want to Google it, and just to tell you about this. If you know about this Chinese nets, please do let me know. I would really like to know that what's there in the net and why it's so special. It looks very special. It's not a normal looking tent, but since he can't give me much information regarding this, so I probably just take a leave. Yes, you didn't tell me properly. Sir.
Excuse me.
Yes.
This side.
I'm coming.
Hello.
Okay, you go. Yeah. Say, my friend.
This is a gift for us, sir.
Gift. You have 20-30 rupees?
This is 100 rupees, sir.
100 is man. 100 I don't have myself. But let's go to the beach. So this is what I've not cut. What do you have to say about James?
He's a crazy man.
he wants money, right?
Yeah.
He's drunk. He didn't even narrate properly. I'm not giving him 100 rupees. He earns, man. He's not a poor. Such a big.
Oh, we can go this way.
This Kochi beach. What beach is this? Fort Kochi beach. Yeah, this is the beach. I'll show you a little bit. That how's the beach and how it is. And then. So this is Chinese net. Is the Chinese net? What's the speciality of this net?
I don't know.
You got some fishes? Did you get some fishes? Did you get some fishes? Where are the fishes? I can see fish. Okay. The Kochi beach food with some local fishermen. Let me see like where the fish is. Where the fish is? Fishes. Oh wow. These are live fish. Can you show? Oh, she's breathing. My God. You eat this? Which species? Nachka. How much is this for in market? How much money? This.
300 rupees.
This?
1 kilo.
One?
One fish is for
20. Okay. Can you show me a little more? Some other small fishes. So this is Fort Kochi beach, right?
Fort Kochi.
So he'll be like showing us a little more. And they're live fishing? Live? Okay, so my friend, What's your name? What's your name?
Name.
Tommy. Mr. Tommy is going to show us some live fishing at Fort Kochi beach with a very local people are here, not too many people. Hello my friend, how are you? How is it going? You're local here? You live here? इधर रहते हो? हिंदी बोलते हो?
हाँ हिंदी बोलते
क्या बात है यार, तो कैसी मछली पकड़ते हो आप?
मछली हम लोग पकड़ते नहीं, हम देखने के लिए
देखता है, तो इधर अच्छा मछली आता
हाँ
है?
अच्छा मिलता है बहुत।
क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम गणेश है।
गणेश, आपका भाई? हाँ? शंभू। क्या नाम है गणेश शंभू भाई का? एंथनी। Oh my God, गणेश और शंभू के साथ एंथनी। My name is Anthony Gonsalves.
तो केरला, मैं उड़ीसा।
ओके भाई उड़ीसा से, अभी हिंदी अच्छी बोलता है।
तमिलनाडु।
तमिलनाडु। हैदराबाद कोई नहीं है क्या?
नहीं कोई नहीं।
हैदराबाद से बाहर ही है।
हाँ हैदराबाद का।
चलो ठीक है, ध्यान रखो भाई। ठीक है, तो चलो थोड़ा सा कुछ और भी लोग हैं यहाँ पे। हेलो माय फ्रेंड, where you guys from? Which place? Wayanad, Kerala.
Yeah.
It's a good place, Wayanad. Rahul Gandhi.
Yeah.
Huh?
हाँ राहुल गांधी।
I heard Rahul Gandhi is a chief minister of Kerala.
केरला।
Minister only, not chief minister. Who is the chief minister of Kerala state? You speak Malayali?
मलयाली।
Proper Malayali? He's from Andhra.
आंध्र।
My friend, come.
Yeah.
I'll make him meet you. Can you speak Malayali with my friend?
I don't know Malayali.
No, you don't understand. Telugu.
Yeah.
They both are here. So say something in Telugu. Anything. Say something. How are you guys doing? Please subscribe to this channel, and I hope everyone's doing nice. So like that.
So subscribe to the channel which was below, please.
In
And
Telugu.
you will have a very
Telugu,
crazy
Baba.
stuff.
Telugu friends to watch it.
Hi Telugu friends. మీకు డెఫినెట్గా
सबसे चैनल అండి. हाँ बाबा यार क्या मूछे हैं यार आपकी यार, great, nice mustache my friend, lovely, I like it. What's your name?
గిల్బర్ట్.
Huh?
గిల్బర్ట్.
Dilbar. Okay, live fishing. Okay, that's some live fishing. नेट ये डालते हैं इसके अंदर पानी में और उसके बाद डाल करके फिशेज जो आती है मछलियों को ये लेके बाहर आते हैं। तो सब अपने धुन में मस्ती कर रहे हैं, ऊपर चला गया भाई हमारा। तो इस मैं एंड करता हूँ यार, फिर मैं आपसे मिलूंगा और रात को अगर मैं बाहर जाता हूँ तो आप कुछ दिखाऊंगा, हॉस्टल कुछ दिखाऊंगा, हॉस्टल में हम लोग फ्रेंड्स लोग बैठते हैं, वो सब कुछ दिखाऊंगा आपको मैं, ठीक है? तो